Okay, so for this ticket, the issue we're running into has to deal with booth allotments. And when suppliers go in and cancel and then try to add another one, um, it's not, the financials are not adjusting correctly. So I am going to go into my test reg. Okay. And so if I go in here, so I have one person already, and I'm going to add a second person. And I'm going to add that as well. The other thing too is this processing. So it's not showing the new attendees right away. But if I go to this tab, it will show that they're there. So I've just let the client know that it is visible. They just have to click over on this tab. Okay, so as of right now, I've used 2 out of 2 badges. So let's say that staff number 1 is canceled. They're no longer able to attend. And I get this kind of grayed over screen. Okay. So when I go back in, it will show that ER staff 1 is canceled. I can reactivate if I want to, and ER staff 2 is still there. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to register for the other person who's actually going. Okay, so here's where we run into the issue. So even though I'm still within my allotment, I'm still only using 2 of 2 badges, I am now being charged $550 for that, what should be a free badge. So when I go in here, I only have 2 active, yet I am still being charged even though I'm within my allotment. So we need to make sure that this is accurately reflecting the free badges. And so what we are having to do right now is go in manually and cost adjust, but we need to make it so that this updates correctly. And then also it's still showing processing. So even though I can see it here, it does show all my staff. Still, when I go in this tab right here, it takes a while for it to show up down here. So again, not a huge issue with that because it does still show over here. But again, more importantly is this, canceled. So I'm still within my 2 badge allotment. I should not be getting charged for that extra badge. So if we could get that fixed, I've talked to Lindsay, and Premier is having this issue right now. So it's not necessarily just an athlete order. It sounds like it's an exhibitor module error. And so if we could get that fixed, that would be awesome.